Skulls, what's going on? It's Andrew or SkullHQ here, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different on this channel. I'm going to be trying boxed water, which apparently is better. So it's 16.9 ounces. It's in a box. I saw this on Instagram because of VidCon. I know they give it out at VidCon. So I'm going to try some. I'm going to read you back. It says 76% of our box is composed of renewable resources, trees, making it one of the most sustainable beverage packages available. The trees used to make our box come from certified, well-managed forests, and these forest trees constantly grow, replacing the ones harvested while removing CO2 from the atmosphere. Looks like feet versus feet there. Let's see. Tree, feet versus feet. I'm on feet versus feet. We ship our boxes flat to our filler, which is significantly more efficient compared to shipping empty plastic or glass bottles to be filled. And then there's a little recycling and a number 1 for the planet. Or sorry, 1% for the planet. Our boxes are recyclable only where facilities exist and can be easily flattened to their original state, taking up less space. We work with water relief, reforestation, and environmental protection projects to help enable a positive impact on humanitarian and environmental efforts. Learn more about our partnership with 1% for the Planet on our website. And then at the bottom, oh, it's made in Grand Rapids, Michigan, so near where I'm from actually. This container is BPA free, and it says boxed water with and without droplet. Boxed water is and boxed water is better. Are all trademarks of boxed water is better LLC. So on the side it says store in a cool place out of direct sunlight, and it says hello. And yeah, so let's try it. I'm gonna crack this open. The whole thing came off. So yeah, just inside is water. Nothing too special here. I'm gonna see if it tastes good, if I like it or not. Because my favorite water probably is Aquafina. After that is probably Fiji. Let's see. Tastes good. Doesn't taste a whole lot different. It's a bit awkward to drink out of, but tastes fine. I would rather drink this than something like Nestle Pure Life or Ice Mountain. I believe those called. I'd much rather have this because of their whole passion project sort of thing. I like that. I like it a lot. Better than Aquafina? No. Better than Fiji water? No. Fiji water's delicious. This is very good. Definitely thirst quenching. If you have some near you, I recommend you pick up a box of water and see what it's like and taste it. So I'd say it's number 3 on my list of waters. Very good. I like it. So that was really it. Nothing too special. I guess like me if you liked it. Favorite is favorite. Don't share the video. Subscribe for more. Tell me if you want me to talk about water or drinks more. Maybe something you're interested in. And just a little shouts out. H&M beanie. It's really nice. It's it's like a one size at H&M. I like this beanie a lot. And then shouts out to Under Armour because I got this shirt today and it's nice. So, okay. See you all later. Take care. Bye.